In this video, we'll show you how to use the shaping tools for images with any bitmap fill type, cross-stitch, photo stitch, paint stitch, or sketch. Whenever an image is imported and converted into any bitmap fill type, cross-stitch, photo stitch, paint stitch, or sketch, by default it is automatically framed into a rectangular area. But what if you want to remove some part of the rectangular area and make a hole or just keep only a part of the image? You can do all this fairly easily using the shaping tools. Let's start with the trim tool. Obviously, using it trims parts of the image and makes special shapes or holes. Let's see how it works. Suppose you have this PaintStitch design, and maybe you want to create an empty space for a slogan. You can create a rectangular area using the rectangle shape and even set the corners to be rounded. Then select the image together with the rectangle shape and using the shaping tools, apply trim. Delete the shape that was used for trimming the image, and now you have a hole on top of the image in the shape of the rectangle. You may practically create any shape you like, or even digitize on top of the area to create an irregular shape. For example, you can create this shape of the dog using the outline shape tool from the digitizing tools. Using trim, you create a hole in the shape of the dog. Now, using the intersect tool, you can easily keep only the common parts of the image and any shape. So, if you select the dog shape and the PaintStitch image together and use intersect option from the shaping tools, you can create a new PaintStitch image simply in the shape of the dog. Isn't that great? Finally, the weld shaping tool can be used to join separate shapes and create a unique welded shape. For instance, using this PaintStitch design, you may draw an ellipse on top of the tree and a rectangle on top of a part of the grass. Select both shapes and weld them together. Now, select the welded shape along with the PaintStitch image. And from the shaping tools, choose the intersect tool this time. In this way, only the common part of the shape and the image is kept. Aren't you excited with the possibilities here?